It's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. Designed with your agenda in mind, this XT5 helps you get ahead while pampering you like it's your day off. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.